Just a couple of weeks ago, this was a dead urban space, just a bunch of asphalt left over from decades of car-centric planning. Nobody really knew what to do with it. But we're seeing all over the world people taking matters into their own hands. A little bit of what we call tactical urbanism, taking this spot and making it just a little bit greener. It might be banal, but you know what? It actually makes an impact on improving this urban space. And today, I get dirt under my fingernails. Hey.
Listo.
How you doing?
We need to move this first, so I need you to give me
this
a
one?
hand.
Yeah. All right.
And we're gonna have to paint them.
What are you going to use these for?
Well, this is sort of the park for people to hang out.
It's benches, basically.
Yeah,
We're creating benches.
We want them to be able to sit down here. And in a while, when this grows, we'll actually have shadow.
Yeah.
We'll actually have a place for people to hang out. And we need to make
want to hang out, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to make it attractive.
That's exactly the point.
This is Carlos. He is a teacher and he is a brilliant thinker, but he's also a doer when it comes to urban renewal.
Before the tramway was here, there was really just a car-clogged avenue. It was terrible. It was one of the worst places in the city, just filled with cars, noise, pollution, buses and motorcycles like crazy. When we were able to accomplish the tram, now we got cars out of the way, but it's again really just very hot, very unfriendly. There are no trees, and there are people who live here. When we do it, we want to make sure that the government sees and admires the fact that we are doing it. We are doing it because we want to do it. We do it with our own people, with our own money, with our own energy. And when we do it, symbolically, symbolically, not illegally, symbolically, positively, creatively, then it's always the same story. They come after us and say, listen, good job.
Yeah.
How can we help? You can clearly tell that the people that walk around here love it. And they become owners of this place. A couple of minutes ago, you saw some guys that were watering it. We don't pay them. We don't know who they are. They do it because they have an intention to make sure that this continues. You have your own bamboo in Colombia now.
There's a guy sitting on the bench there. He's just having his breakfast. You know, all you need to do is just put pallets down on an empty urban space, create some form of structure and an attractive place to be, and a guy's eating his breakfast. Like, you know, we just got here.